Okay, good day guys. Let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day, which is for the 24th. Now, to those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So we've done analysis on this GBP USD, and we've talked about our targets. We did a weekly analysis on our GBP USD, and we talked about our targets, right, which is a level of 1.27456. So we should be able to hit that level either this week or next week. So we have about 2 weeks to go for our GBP to USD to actually hit our target. So now, to be able to predict this price for the next day, we can see that price is literally reacting to a level here. This is the highs. This is the previous highs, right? Then price actually gave us a pullback. So now price has come to hit this highs. Of course, we expect a pullback to be made. So this is exactly what is happening. So once this pullback is over, then expect a new highs that will be made that will take out this previous highs. So GBP USD, we are still on an uptrend move. We are still making an ice, but I want you guys to watch that a new ice is very much likely to form the next day, which is 24th. Very, very, very much likely to have for us to actually have a bullish move that will take out the previous ice. So a new ice needs to be formed on GBP USD. By the way, we can see that a pullback is playing out. So once this pullback is over, then expect that movement you will be expecting. And now let's see the forward time frame. So basically, this is a drop here. So let's find a rejection at this level on the forward time frame. So what we should be expecting next on GBP USD is another movement to come to take out this highs price rejected from. So from here to this same level, that would be about 77 pips, by the way. So if you are watching this very, very early, I think you should go ahead and take your buy and grab your 77 pips. We should be able to take out this resistance level on the forward time frame on GBP which I strongly believe we will be able to take it. Once we can hit it, then I believe a little bit of a pullback and then a new highs will be made, right? So on this GBP we will be expecting a bullish move. But first, let's take out this resistance level on the forward time frame you are spotting here. Once it hits it, then a little bit of a pullback should be made, and again another highs will be made to take out this resistance level on the forward time frame. That means a new highs has been formed on GBP USD.